Good morning, children, and welcome again to e-learning classes on behalf of Modern English School. I myself Anjana Dikshit from New Area Senior Wing. Children, this video is for class 7 and today we shall read the poem The Shade. The poet is Frank Flynn. Frank Flynn. Okay. Now, before explaining the poem, let me tell you a few lines about the poet. The poet Frank Flynn was born on 6 December 1906. He was Northern Territory based Australian doctor. He was author and a missionary priest. He died on 29 July 2000. Now children, I shall explain the poem The Shade. Now, I would like to ask you, have you seen a shade or is there a shade in your house? Now first, what do you mean by a shade? Now a shade is a small room away from the house where animals or tools, vehicles, etc. are kept. What is a shade? It is a small room away from the main house for storing or keeping things, animals, tools, vehicles, etc. But you normally don't go to the shade unless you are asked to go there. Shade is generally useless and there things are kept which are not frequently used. In this poem also, the shade is away from the main house. See, the poem starts with, there is a shade at the bottom of our garden. Means at the last, by the side of the boundary, there is a shade. With a spider web hanging across the doors. Means it is not used. That is why you can see spider webs there. The hangs are rusty. When anything is not in use, so it gets rust, isn't it? When I am in bed, that means who is in bed? When the child is in bed, and when he sees the shade, he thinks, what is in the shade? Generally children are not allowed to enter the shade because it is not frequently used and there may be snakes or anything like that. So he thinks, why I am not allowed to go there? He sleeps and thinks of the shade, but he is afraid also because there are webs, spider webs, and broken table, stools are kept in that shade. Few mattresses which are useless are kept there. So it is full of dust. That's why parents don't allow children to go to the shade because there may be infection. But the child thinks, why I am not allowed? His brother tells him, there is a ghost and if you go near that, he'll catch you, he'll kill you, and then he becomes afraid. In this poem, his elder brother says, don't peep in that room. There is a ghost and when you go there, he will catch you and he will chop off your head. But it is nothing like that. He frightens his younger brother. And because he is young, he thinks, my elder brother is right. It's a mystery for him. What might be there inside the shade? But he thinks, I'll peep one day and see what is there inside the room. The child says, I know there is no ghost in this world. My brother just tells me to frighten me. There isn't anyone staring at me from inside the shade. But he thinks, I'll find out the mystery. Why I'm not allowed to go there, and what is inside that room. I will go one day and open the door. The poet, the child thinks like this. Is it clear, children? That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.